Okay, just did a morning of fishing, got the Sportspal packed up on the Forerunner. I just wanted to make this quick video for anyone who's considering putting swivel seats in their Sportspal canoe. I've had a bunch of questions on these. So one safety tip that I unfortunately had to learn recently would be with these Cabela's swivel seats, you're going to note that there's a base that gets screwed or bolted onto the existing web seating. And then there's two parts of the seat. There's the seat itself here. And then what connects to that is this quick release swivel base plate here. What they give you when you buy this, you have to buy them all separately, but when you do buy the swivel base, they give you these 1-inch long screws that go in from the bottom upwards into the bottom of the seat. As you can see, there's some holes there. As you can imagine, after a bit of wear and tear, those are not very secure. And what ended up happening to me a few weeks ago, I was out fishing and one of the 4 screws had popped out while I was out there and I didn't really think much of it. And then I was about to land a pike in my net and I was leaning over to the left side of the canoe and then the 3 other screws gave way and I literally was catapulted into the water. Thankfully I had a life jacket on. Thankfully my canoe did not capsize, but it was pretty crazy. So to fix that, and you see it's been fixed now, but I'll show you what I did. So with these seats, you'll see that they have the cushion actually pops off. So let me try and do this here. Here we go. Okay. You got these 4 little connecting pieces. They're these plastic fittings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Important you don't lose them. And then so what you end up doing is you want to take those 4 holes from the swivel plate and drill all the way through the bottom of the seat and then install 4 bolts all the way through both and then use either locking nuts like I did at the top here, and then on the bottom ones actually just used regular nuts but with some thread locker. Problem solved. I can't really do this one-handed, but it's very easy to put these the seat back on. Basically, you just kind of line up the hole, all 4 holes, and you punch those back in. Anyway, learn from my mistake. If you do that, you will never be catapulted out of your chair in your canoe, Sportspal canoe, like I was. So, just my little tip for anyone who is thinking about putting a swivel style seat into their Sportspal canoe, or I guess in any kind of canoe for that matter. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks.